Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Oma here. If today is your first time coming across my channel, coming across my face, you are most definitely welcome back here. And please don't make this video your last. Make sure you hit that red button to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell. Very important, so that YouTube will always notify you anytime there's any upload from me. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. So from the title, you already know what we are going to be doing, what we are going to be discussing in today's video. And if you think this is what you'll be interested in watching, sit back as we jump in right into today's video. Welcome back, guys. So in this video today, I actually watched a review of a YouTuber here. I can't remember her name now. So she made a review of this particular sunscreen, how good it is. I'm going to give you that protection that your skin needs from the sun. So we all know the benefits of using sunscreen. What sunscreen can do for us is basically to protect your skin against the UVB and UV rays of the sun, and it also protects your skin from sunburn, tackle your hyperpigmentation, your acne spots. Make sure you are not playing with sunscreen, because sunscreen will help to using your other skincare products to treat your acne spot, to treat your hyperpigmentation. Combining your sunscreen with it will help clear your skin out over time. It's not a magic, it's not a 7 days quick action, but over time, you being consistent, you be religious in using it, you will see a big difference in your skin texture and your skin complexion. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of this particular sunscreen because I was so curious about it. Yeah, the sunscreen that I'm using, it makes my face to be too oily. So I've been looking for an affordable one that will get the job done. I got this one based on that review. So, and I'm equally going to be reviewing, I'm going to be sharing with you my experience with this sunscreen. I've been using it for quite a while now. The sunscreen is really good. It does not make my face too oily, but dewy finish anytime I layer it on my skin. So without much further ado, let me introduce you to the sunscreen I am talking about in this video. So this is the sunscreen that I'm talking about in this video today. So this is the sunscreen here. Sorry guys, if you're not seeing the picture clearly, I'm going to be snapping it and be pasting it here or here so that you will see the sunscreen that I'm talking about. So this is the Dr. Rashel Anti-Aging 60 plus SPF. So they said that this SPF is an anti-aging SPF. So from what the manufacturer of Dr. Rashel Sun's written here is that this is Dr. Rashel Anti-Aging 60 plus SPF sun protection kit. So it is a two-in-one kit. So it is a two-in-one kit. They equally have one that is just a single product, but this is what I got available in my area. So this is a two-in-one kit of this Dr. Rashel sunscreen. So they said it's a skin troll to protect, soothe, and hydrate. So basically, this is a hydrating and antioxidant face and body sunscreen that will help to protect against sunburn and also skin aging. So I'm going to be unboxing it proper for you to see what is inside, for you to see the content of this box. So this is how it is. Can you see it? If you cannot see it, I'm probably going to take a picture and paste it on the screen. So this is how it looks. This is how it comes. So for this two-in-one, this is the actual sunscreen now. So it's a 60 gram sunscreen. The one thing I like about this sunscreen is the packaging. The packaging is so unique. Like, you can just throw this in your bag and off you go. It will help for you to reapply your sunscreen anytime you want to reapply your sunscreen. Yeah, and another thing I want to tell you guys is that when you are using your sunscreen, make sure you reapply your sunscreen every 2 or 3 hours for you to give your skin that maximum protection that it needs. So for this particular design, reapplying every 2 hours or 3 hours will be really easy and convenient, because The packaging is very unique. You can literally put it inside your bag and off you go. So it makes your reapplication very easy and simple. Then the number 2 in the box is this after sun soothing and cooling gel. I haven't tried the after sun and cooling gel, but I'm going to be testing it out for you guys in this video today for you to see how well it's layering on my face. So, and I'm going to be reading further some of the things that the manufacturer claims that this sunscreen will do for our skin as an anti-aging and moisturizing sunscreen with SPF 60++. So by the 60, the number 60 here means that is the number of degrees that this sunscreen will protect our skin for. So it's going to be protecting, like we have a 60% degree protection when you use this particular sunscreen. So I'm going to be reading further. So the description says a powerful antioxidant complex to help protect your skin from free radicals caused by UV rays while preserving its youthful look. Regular use every day can protect the skin from sun damages and keep the skin from getting premature aging, dark spots due to sunlight. It is also lightweight in formula, can absorb quickly into the skin, and it is oil-free, non-comedogenic, and will not clog your pores. That is absolutely correct, because this particular sunscreen, it is lightweight. I've tried it, and I'm also going to be trying it again for you to see in this video. The formula is very lightweight. It does not sit heavily on the skin, and it does not leave white cast. It is indeed a deal breaker. And I'm also going to be telling you how much I got this particular sunscreen. So it is lightweight in formula. It does not clog. It's not going to clog your pores. It will help your dark spots, like I said initially from the beginning of this video. It will help your dark spots to play out, and it does not clog your pores. So some of the ingredients of this particular sunscreen it has mineral, contains water, aqua, like aqua is water. Then it contains Vaseline, contains propylene glycol, it contains perfume, and a whole lot of good stuff that this sunscreen contains. And same thing goes to the after sun soothing cooling gel. It also contains a whole lot of good things. Like I said, I've not tried it before, but I'm going to be trying it out in this particular video. So let's go into proper applying this sunscreen for you to see that everything that I've been reading out is actually what the sunscreen can do for you. And if you've used this sunscreen or you are using this sunscreen, please don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section. Let's know how the sunscreen is treating you, if your skin is liking it. Another thing you should also know is this, that I use a particular product and it feels good on my skin does not mean that it will feel good for you. All you need to do, all other products in the market that you can try at affordable, the ones that are so affordable, that will give you that will help to protect your skin, smoothing your skin, take care of your acne, take care of your hyperpigmentation, take care of your sunburn, and every other imperfection that you have in skin. With that being said, let's move on to testing out this particular sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen. Like I said, this is the sunscreen, and I'm going to be opening it. So this is how it comes. So when you remove the first cap, then you have to remove the second one. So that means there's nothing like leakage in this product, so it's not going to leak. So I'm going to be doing the 2-finger method in this video. I'm going to be doing only the 2 fingers method, but because the sunscreen is lightweight, I usually do the 3-finger method, but for the purpose of illustration, I'm going to be using 2-finger method. So I'll put it here, and on my neck, and make sure that you don't neglect your neck. Make sure that whatever product that you're applying on your face, make sure you bring it down to your neck, because it will not make any sense that your face is looking shiny, brighter, looking all beautiful, and your neck is looking all wrinkled. So it is always good that you bring whatever skincare product that you are using to the whole of your face and your neck.
A few moments later.
I've layered my sunscreen. Like, it didn't even take me a second to layer this sunscreen, and you can see that it glides into my skin very smoothly and quickly without leaving any white cast. So this is the perfect sunscreen if you have oily skin like me and you want an affordable sunscreen. This Dr. Rashel sunscreen is like, don't play with it. Don't play with it. And the good thing about this sunscreen is that it's very, very affordable. You can get it anywhere, but make sure that you are getting the original one. Don't go and buy fake. Make sure you are buying it from the right vendor. So I got mine from a supermarket close to my area, and I got this particular sunscreen, this box. The two, I got the box for 4,250 naira. I know if you go on Instagram, it's quite more, like you get it more expensive on Instagram. But where I'm staying, supermarket close to me, it's retail for 4,250 naira. So guys, let me try out the after sun cooling gel. I'm going to be taking a little. So this is how it is. This is how it is. So you can see me trying to. It has like a fruity kind of fragrance, and it feels like you're applying aloe vera gel. That's how it feels, like water. There's nothing to it, and I could feel that cooling sensation in my hand right now. So this particular sunscreen, if you are on a budget, like I always say in my channel, if you're on a budget and you're looking for a sunscreen that will not leave a white cast on your face, this particular sunscreen, you can buy the single one, and I think it has, for this particular range, it has also a spray one that you can spray, and this 2-in-1. So you can buy the single one, and I'm sure the single one is more cheaper. So you can buy the single one, or you buy the 2-in-1. You really like it. Like, this cooling feels very nice. Feels very, very nice. Feels very, very nice. So guys, we've come to the very end of today's video. If you enjoy watching this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up, because that is what will make YouTube to recommend this video to a lot of people to watch. And share my videos with your friends and family. Like I always say, please do that so that we can take the ministry to the permanent site. And until I see you again, this is the festive period. Make sure you are in good spirit. Make sure you're keeping in touch with family. There is nothing like family. And be happy. Keep smiling, beautiful. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.